I'm finally getting to wire up my shop. So this thing is, I mean, it's just sketchy as hell. So, oh well. So there it is. All the stuff I got to get done. I gotta get to it, so catch you on the flip. Well, I had some free time and this JLG just happened to show up at my house. So, hung some lights. Sure hope it's gonna be enough. Hung 4 lights, and I think they got like 300 some odd LEDs or whatever, but at any rate, hey, there's a no-name national truck. Gotta get on that. And there's the engine. Ain't she purty? Alright guys, I'm gonna get to it. This thing's a wobbly piece of crap. Oh boy. Things I do, huh? Well, damn. That's only 4 lights. Look at this. That sure brightened up everything.